See if my kids can dodge the sprinklers. There's one that doesn't care. There's one that does care.
What do you do?
Don't you care about getting hit by the sprinklers?
No.
Okay, just take your shoes off when you get in.
Who does?
Your sister apparently. Look at her waiting.
I should go up to those and turn it, especially to hit her.
It's so fun to have hand lines for your sprinklers.
Please slow.
That was fun. We're looking at my sprinklers.
I should have ran up there.
Oh, we're supposed to, there's a hose on the end of one of them. We're supposed to move it on the different trees.
Have fun with that, Mom.
Yeah, I will have fun with
I
that.
should have ran up there and grabbed
All right, would
it
you
and
like to come in?
sprayed it at her.
Okay, take off your muddy shoes when you... Oh, thank you for taking your shoes off outside. There's little muffin coloring. Cute.